this is Alex, founder of Digital Olympus, and today I want to share with you what kind of features I love the most inside Accurante 2. There are two features that I love the most inside there too. The first feature is their third-party integrations. So what you can do, you can connect Accurante data with the third-party tools. Among them is Google Search Console, Adobe Analytics, Google Data Sheets, and finally Google Data Studio, which allows you to build beautiful reports and connect your Google Analytics data and Accurante data in one report. The last feature allows you to refresh keywords when you want to do that. Basically, you upload a list of keywords and get rankings about them within a few seconds, and that's very handy. So what you can do, you can go straight to Accurante.com website and start your free trial. Play with the Accurante and see whether it's going to fit you. And so I'd love to hear what kind of features you love the most. Please leave your comments below a video, and thank you very much.